So limit of n tends to infinite, summation of, here n cancel, n cancel like this. What is the common here? 1 by n. Summation 1 by 1 plus 1 by n, 2 by n like that, r by n whole square, where r is equal starting from 1 up to 2n. Up to 2n. Understood? Here 2 by n square, here we can write 2n by n whole square. 2 square is 4, n square cancel, we will get the n. So this is equal to dx, this is equal to integration, lower limit 0, upper limit is 2, 1 by 1 plus r by n equal to x square, 1 by n equal to dx. So this is tan inverse of x, integration of 0 to 1, tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4 minus 0 pi by 4. Next one is integration of 1 to e set of x by e whole power 2x minus e by x whole power x dx, log of x dx. This is easy, just you try yourself. Let x by e whole power 2x equal to t, e by x whole power x is equal to another one w. Apply log on both sides, we will get the value. Understood? This is, you can solve yourself, or if you want I can solve here. It's take time here, lengthy question it is. 1 to e, easy but lengthy it is. X by e whole power 2x into log x dx, this into this, minus 1 to e by x whole power x into log x dx. Nothing logic here, just substitution method. Only it's take time, that much only. When base and power both are there, we have to apply log. So log of x by e, 2x comes here, equal to log t. Differentiation here, 2x, 2 a common here, x, log x by differentiation 1 by x by e into x by e differentiation 1 by e plus log of x by e into x differentiation is 1, log t differentiation 1 by t into dt. Yes. Now here x get cancelled. Okay, this is comes up e also cancel, 1, 2 into 1 plus log of x, log x minus log e equal to 1 by t dt. This get cancelled, log e base is 1. So log x dx here, log x dx equal to transpose that side 1 by 2t dt. This is, this we can write. First I am going to solve this, later you can solve this is. See, log x dx equal to dt by 2t. X by e whole power 2x equal to t. Tt get cancelled. And lower limit, when x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, then t is equal to, tell me, 1 by e square. When x is equal to e by e 1 and e, 1 power is 1. So 1 by 2 integration is 1 by 2 t dt. Limits 1 by e square and 1 by 2, upper limit 1 minus 1 by e square. This is the value of this. Similarly, you can try yourself e by x equal t. Here nothing logic, it's take time only, that much only. Just do the speed up your calculation part. Next one is f of and g of x continuous on closed interval a comma b. F and g continuous on closed interval a comma b, 0 comma a. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 40-50 minutes. F and g continuous on closed interval 0 comma a such that f of x is equal to f of a minus x, g of x plus g of a minus x equal to 4. Then integration of 0 to a f of x into g of x dx equal to option A 2 into integration of 0 to a f of x dx, option B 4 into integration of 0 to a f of x dx, option C minus 3 into 0 to a f of x dx, option D integration of 0 to a f of x dx. Okay, this is a theory question, very easy. 0 to a f of x into f g of x dx equal to 0 to a, use property f of it plus of x, right, a minus x g of a minus x dx. Integration of 0 to a f of a minus x equal to f of x, g of a minus x equal to 4 minus g of x dx. 4 integration of 0 to a f of x dx minus integration of 0 to a f of x into g of x dx, that is I. This is I plus I equal to 2I integration 4 into 0 to a f of x dx. This get cancelled. I is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. This is ink. Next question is integration of pi by 6 to pi by 4 dx by sin 2x into tan power 5x plus cot power 5x. This was asked January shift 2019 question. This is we can take common here, plus 1 by tan power 5x. This is here we'll get integration pi by 6 to pi by 4 dx by sin 2x. Okay, here you'll get tan power 10x plus 1, it comes up tan power 5x. Yes, then sin 2x, which is equal to, we can write 2 sin x into cos x. Now make it tan form here, divide by cos x here cos square x, sin by cos is tan power 5 by tan power 4, 1 by 2 integration of pi by 6 to pi by 4 tan power 4x dx divided by 1 by cos square x is secant square x dx, secant square x dx, and tan power 10x plus 1. Yes, this is tan power 10x plus 1, this derivative is here, this we can write, see, tan power 10x, this is cos square x, tan power 10x plus 1 tan power 5. So tan x derivative is there here, secant square x. So let tan x equal to t, then secant square x dx equal to dt, here t power 4 by t power 10 plus 1 will get. Is it possible to make short form here? Tan power 4x here, tan power 5x and whole square. Yes, tan power 5x equal to t, then 5 into tan power 4x dx equal to dt. So tan power 4x and tan x derivative secant square x dx equal to dt by 5, 1 by 2, okay, dt by 5, and this is t square plus 1. Lower limit, if it is x is equal pi by 6, tan pi by 6, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 whole power 5. Tan pi by 4 is 1. Okay, so 1 by 10, this is 1 by t square plus 1 integration is tan inverse of t, limits 1 by root 3 whole power 5 into up to limit, upper limit is 1. Yes, or the question is here 1 by 10 tan inverse of 1, tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 1 by root 3 whole power 5 equal to 1 by root 3 whole square, 1 by root 3 whole square into 1 by root 3, right? 1 by root 3 whole square is 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, yes, 1 by root 3. So 1 by 9 root 3, 1 by 9 root 3. This is, so we know that here 1 by 10 tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4 minus tan inverse of 1 by 9 root 3 is the answer. Okay, this is option B is correct, option A is correct, pi by 4 minus A option is pi by 4, 1 by 10 pi by 4 minus tan inverse of 1 by 9 root 3. This option is right. A option. Next one is integration minus 2 to 2 sin square x divided by step of x by 5 plus 2 plus 1 by 2. This is greatest integer function. Then option A 0, option B sin 4, option C 4, option D 4 minus sin 4. Step function if there means which is special function, eliminate that function, let this is I. Use the property minus 2 to 2 sin sum of the limits minus x, sin square minus x by minus of x by 5 plus 1 by 2 dx, right? We know that step of x plus step of minus x equal to 1. So step of x by 5 plus step of minus x by 5 equal to 1. So step of minus x by 5 equal to 1 minus step of x by 5 minus 2 to 2 sin square x, this is equal to 1 minus step of x by 5 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 to 2 sin square x dx by 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 2 minus here 1 minus x by y, step of x by 5, yes, 1 minus x by 5, here 1 plus 1 by 2 minus here, it changes here minus, it comes that side minus 1 by 2, okay, 1 minus 1 here, we want this, no, yes. So minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So we will get minus 1 by 2 minus step of x by 5 So minus take common, minus 2 to 2 sin square x dx by step of x by 5 plus 1 by 2. So this is and this is same. So I equal to minus I. Then 2I equal to 0. The value of the integral is 0. This option is right. Next, integration of 0 to x f of t dt equals x square plus integration of x to 1 t square f of t dt. Then f dash of 1 by 2. F dash of 1 by 2. F dash means differentiation. Options here: A 4 by 5, option B 24 by 25, option C 18 by 25, option D 6 by 25. Okay. Now integration of 0 to x f of t dt equal to x square. Apply differentiation here. Apply differentiation with respect of x on both sides. Apply upper limit f of x, x derivative is 1, lower limit is 0, x square derivative is 2x plus put t is equal to 1 here, 1 f of t, t derivative is 0 minus lower limit is x square f of x, x derivative is 1. Okay. Now f of x equal to 2x minus x square f of x. Transfer this side. F of x take common, 1 plus x square equal to 2x. F of x is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. Then what is the f dash x? U by v method. 1 plus x square whole square, 1 plus x square, x 2x differentiation is 2 minus 2x, 1 plus x square differentiation is 2x. Put x is equal to 1 by 2 here, f dash of 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 by 4, 5 by 4 into 2 and 2 into 2 4, x square 1 by 4 get cancel here and 1 plus 1 by 4, 5 by 4 whole square. Understood? 5 by 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 3 by 2 into 16 by 25. This get cancelled. 8 into 3, 24 by 25. This is. Next one, 2019 JEE minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 dx by step x plus step of sin x plus 4, where step x denotes the greatest integer function. Option A 3 by 20 4 pi minus 3, option B, option C, like that there. Okay, I am going to solve this. Step x is there means we have to use eliminate the special function. Yes, minus, because step x is changes for every integer. This is minus pi by 2 value minus 3.14 by 2 means minus 1.5 something. So minus 1.52 plus 1.5, in between integers are there. Tell me the integers. minus 1, 1.5 to plus 1.5. How many are there? Minus 1 is there, 0 is there, 1 is there. So we are split. So integration minus pi by 2 minus 1 plus minus 1 to 0 plus 0 to 1. Minus pi by 2 minus 1 is dx. In this interval, tell me any number minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 if you take here, step of minus 1.5 is minus 2. Sine of minus 1.5. Sine of minus 1.5 means minus sine of 1.5. Okay, sine 1.5 means approximately 57 degrees, 60. Yes, sine 90 is 1, minus 1. So less than that. Step of minus 1 is minus 1. Plus 4. Okay, next minus 1 to 0. Take one number, minus 0.6. Minus 0.6 if you substitute here, minus 1. Sine of minus 0.6. Okay, 1 by 2. Minus sine 1 by 2 is less than only, minus 1 it is, plus 4. Because sine is lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Minimum minus 1, maximum minus 1. So never get plus 2 and that. Next, 0 to 1, if you apply this is 0 and sine 0 is 0 and 4. Finish the question. So minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus 4 1. So integration of 1 dx is x limits minus pi by 2 to minus 1. Minus 2 plus 4 2, 1 by 2 x limits minus 1 to 0. 1 by 4 integration of 1 dx x 0 to 1. Okay. At 0 to last one is pi by 2 here. Apply here upper limit minus 1 minus plus pi by 2. Here 1 by 2, lower limit, upper limit 0, lower limit is 1. And 1 by 4 pi by 2 minus 0. Finish. Minus 1 plus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. And pi by 2 plus pi by 8. Pi by 2 plus pi by 8. LCM is 8, 4, 5 plus 5 pi by 8. 5 pi by 8. Options you verified. Next one is integration. F is differentiable function. F is differentiable function from R tends to R such that mod of f of x minus f of y less than or equal to 2 into mod of x minus y whole square whole power 3 by 2. For all x comma y belongs to R, f of 0 equal to 1, integration of 0 to 1 f square of x dx equals. Here option A 0, option B 2, option C 1 by 2, option D is 1. Right, this is given mod of f of x minus f of y by this is less than 2 into, can I write like this, x minus y whole square into x minus y 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2 is 2 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2, yes. So this is transpose this side, f of x minus f of y divided by x minus y less than or equal to 2 into root of x minus y. Limit apply both side, x tends to y, mod of f of x minus f of y by x minus y equal to limit of x tends to y 2 into root of x minus y. When you, this is equal to differentiation concept, f dash of y less than or equal to, put x is equal by y minus y is 0. So f dash of y is 0, then change the variable f dash of x also 0. If f dash of x is 0 means what about f of x is constant k. Okay, k value how to find? For that they given this condition. Put x is equal to 0, f of 0 equal to 1. So f of 0, put x is equal to 0, 1, k is equal to 1. Then f of x equal to 1. So we got f of x. Now let me find integration of 0 to 1 f square of x dx. F of x integration, f of x value 1 integration is 1 dx. Integration of 1 dx is x, limit 0 to 1. So upper minus lower limit is 1. This is option is, check it. Next one, integration of 0 to pi by 3 tan theta by root of 2k sec theta d theta equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2, k greater than 0, then the value of k. Yes, 0 to pi by 3, this is we can write sin theta by cos theta, root of 2k sec theta, root 2k take out root of sec theta, right, d theta. Cos theta and root of sec theta. So cos theta we can write root cos theta into root cos theta, root cos theta and one more root cos theta. Root cos theta and root sec theta product is 1. Then 1 by root of 2k 0 to pi by 3 sin theta by root of cos theta d theta. This derivative is there, cos derivative is minus sin theta. So f dash x by root f of x equal to 2 root of x, 2 root of cos theta. Limits 0 to pi by 3. So minus 1 by 2 root of k, 2 into cos 60 1 by 2, so 1 by root 2. Lower limit cos 0 is 1, so 2, which is equal to, equating with this, 1 minus 1 by root 2. Then minus 1 by 2 root of k equal to 2 by root 2 means root 2 minus 2, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2. Finish here. Minus 1 by root k, minus take inside here. Root 2 by 2 is 1 by root 2 minus, and minus plus 2 by 2 is cancel 1 equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2. This get cancelled. So 1 by root k equal to 1, root k equal to 1, k is equal to 1. K is equal to 1.